Hey, what's up YouTube? Gemini Jets 1272 here, coming at you with a review of the United Airlines Airbus A319. I was requested to do this review by Gemini Jets ORD. So, yeah, I got this plane in late July, early August of this year. So, yeah, let's get right to the box. Gemini Jets made for collectors by collectors. Here's the airplane, Airbus A319, United, 1/400 scale die-cast model aircraft. Take a look at the bottom. Gemini Jets, 1/400 scale die-cast model. Gemini Jets. There's the plane, Airbus A319. Gemini Jets, adult collectible model. Warning, contains small parts not suitable for children under the age of 14. Gemini Jets, there's the plane, and Airbus A319. There is the aircraft climbing. Gemini Jets, as real as it gets. This is a 2014 Gemini Jet release. The plane would sit. All information. Pause if you want to read. There's a picture of the plane, some more info about it. So yeah, let's get started with the model. There's the cockpit windshield, Star Alliance logo, the cockpit door, United, the emergency exit door, the American flag, and the registration of this aircraft is November 834 UA. There's the United Continental Globe. Just take a look at the front like that. And then the other side's the same, but I'll just run through it and then you guys can. I like the way that the globe shines, the gold paint shines. That's really cool when you have it in light. There's back view. Looks like the tail might be at a little bit of an angle, but that's not horrible. Oh, never mind. That's just the way it was set. Let's take a look at the. Oh, hang on. Your top view real quick. Sorry, but I always have to reposition my hand so I can focus on it. Here's the nose landing gear. Gemini Jets. There's where you put the stand to display the plane. Landing gear, and then a gold stripe right there. Alright guys, that's it for this model. But I just made my channel trailer, which I probably should have made a while ago, but I just made it, and I should have that up in a couple of days. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, and thank you.